when we want to convert between degrees and radians, the conversion rate is fairly simple. We know that there's 360 degrees in a circle, and that's 2 pi radians. So that means that pi radians is going to be 180 degrees. And this is the one that we use to multiply by a fraction that will convert between degrees and radians. Now we want to put 180 degrees in the denominator, so that would mean pi radians are in the numerator. The reason we want those degrees in the denominator are so that we can get the degrees to cancel. So now we're sitting at this fraction of 135 pi over 180, and that'll be our radians. We do need to simplify this fraction, and so what we do is ignore the pi initially and just simplify 135 over 180. And you can do that by finding common factors and canceling, by dividing and then turning it into a fraction, however you want to do it, but you should end up with 3/4. Then take the pi and put that back in the numerator. So 135 degrees is 3 pi over 4 radians. So when we do that again with negative 50 degrees, remember we're going to multiply by pi over 180 degrees so that we can get the degrees to cancel. And we're looking at negative 50 pi over 180. When we simplify that, all we have to do is cancel the factor of 10 out of each of them, and we'll have our simplified fraction of negative 5 pi over 180. Let's try one more with 265 degrees. Remember, we multiply by pi over 180 degrees. We do that to get the degrees to cancel. So we're sitting at 265 pi over 180. We do need to simplify the fraction, so we ignore the pi initially. Use math, enter, or however you want to simplify it, but that simplifies to 53 over 36. So to finish it off, we put the pi back in there, and there's our radian measure.